Today on Soy Patty.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time.
Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Patty. Yo soy Patty. Thank you guys for being here. Today I am bringing you this deep clean with me on my son's bedroom. I hope you guys enjoy as much as I enjoyed deep cleaning my son's room, and let's get started.
Take down your walls and let me
Okay ladies, first of all, don't judge. I am so sorry. I know I will look weird on PJs and everything, but I'm a mama too, and I decided, it was early in the morning, I decided that my son's room needed a deep clean, and I jumped into it. I was like, I need to do it now or I won't do it any other day. So yeah, so I started off washing the bed sheets, and after that I moved to the window and I dusted off with a Swiffer, and right after that I just deep clean it with a microfiber cloth and some Downy mixed with some water, and you'll be impressed on like how much that helps clean up your windows real good. To the actual window on the glass, I actually had the spray foam type of thing that is kind of like a Windex, and it helps really good. It's my favorite to clean like the windows and the mirrors around my house.
Dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this.
Ladies, like I said earlier, I am using the spray that's special to clean up the windows. Honestly, I forgot the name of it, but honestly I love it because it leaves the window like very clear and really clean.
Just loving this moment, can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever.
Ladies, this is a question for y'all. How often do you deep clean your house? I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I really don't do this so often. Maybe I would do it, I do it twice a year, and I'm talking about a deep clean with cleaning the blinds deep, as in you see me doing right now.
This moment, can we stay here forever? I'm loving this.
Now when it comes to dusting off the blinds and furniture and everything, talking about baseboards and yes, everything, I do it. I like doing it because honestly I hate seeing dust around everywhere, every surface on my house. I honestly hate it, and it looks real different when you just dust off. Don't do deep clean if you don't want to, but dusting off, it's my thing to do. Yes.
This moment, can Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Also, please comment down below letting me know which are your favorite cleaning products. I will be so happy to try out what you guys like, what kind of products you guys like to use when you are deep cleaning or just cleaning up around your house.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? I was at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky. When you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper. Kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper. Kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder.
Now I'm moving into cleaning up the baseboards. Like I said earlier before, I like mixing water with Downy and using a microfiber cloth to clean up all the baseboards. And honestly, this is my favorite thing to do when deep cleaning the baseboards.
Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper. Kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud.
Ladies, my son's room, it's already smelling so good.
Little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love out loud. Love out loud. Love out loud. Love out loud. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper. Kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper. Kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. 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 We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do.
Also, ladies, I want to remind each one of you that anything that you want to do in life as a mom, as a wife, as a friend, as whoever you are or want to be, do it. Do it, because if you don't do it for yourself, nobody else will come and do it for you. You are strong, be courageous, and you can do it all if you believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Know that you can do it and go for it big.
Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am, and I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, what you like to, what you like to, what you like to do.
I also got into Sebastian's closet and I decided I needed to declutter some of his shoes that don't fit on him and some pants that don't fit on him as well. And I went ahead and put him into a closet where I'm putting everything that my kids don't wear anymore, and I will be donating those things or just giving them away to family.
Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing.
I have so many projects in mind. One of those are building up Sebastian's closet, as in building up shelves and making it look all nice. It's now time to do the bed. I washed all the bed sheets and they are now dry, and let's give this bed a better look and make it look so warm and cozy.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
And here I am again, fixing this couch. As you see, my daughter was here laying down earlier and she fix the stuff that I had already fixed. So it's time for me to fix them again. And well, it is what it is. They're kids, so let's do it.
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever.
Moving on to vacuuming the room. This might be, or this is my favorite part and most satisfying part of the cleaning routine or deep cleaning. I just love how the vacuum leaves the stripes on the carpet. Ladies, if you have a really nice vacuum that you will recommend to me, I would really appreciate it. I've been in the lookout for a really nice vacuum, not so expensive but good enough for the price and the job that's gonna do in my carpet. Ladies, I honestly love how my son's room turned out after the deep clean. It smells so good just because I use that mixed water with Downy. I honestly love that idea on cleaning up the bedroom, the baseboards with it. I will really recommend you to do it. But thank you all so much for watching, and see the end of the video for the end results. Thank you.
Forever high, low, always been the bad one, riding just to feel light, screaming, dreaming, feeding fire. We've got that something, hearts on fire. I'm dripping, tripping on your pale lights. Me and you forever blind. You drive me crazy, baby. Oh, you make the moon blue, baby. I'm yours. Yeah.
I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
You make me howl, yeah, baby, I'm yours. Stay forever wild, young until the end, swaying on the edge. Stay forever fire, burn me to my core, babe, we're made of gold. We move all over, light up every corner, dancing, smoking, plain sight, scheming,